Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming Python 3. 8+ and Pycharm are ready, then set the project interpreter. Next, install the Kaggle API with pip and place your Kaggle JSON credentials in the correct folder so the CLI can authenticate. Once done, create or activate a virtual env inside Pycharm and install the Kaggle package into that environment. This gets you from 0 to a secured, reproducible workspace so you can fetch datasets programmatically without permission errors. Open Pycharm's terminal so commands run in the project environment, then run Kaggle datasets download downer/dataset pdata, unzip to pull files into a data folder. Make sure Pycharm refreshes the project view and that large files aren't accidentally checked into Git. Add data/to. Git ignore when appropriate. After files appear, import them in your script using pandas. Read CSV or an image loader. This approach keeps downloads reproducible and code-ready for exploration and modeling. Finish by standardizing how your code references data. Use pathlib and relative project routes so others can run it. Then add preprocessing or caching steps to speed repeated runs, but keep datasets out of the repository and commit only the pipeline. If you hit authentication errors, stop and verify file permissions on Kaggle. JSON, set to 600, and confirm Kaggle config dir or file location matches the environment. These steps close the loop and prevent common permission and path issues from breaking the.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.